Hi, welcome back. I know it's been quite some time, but we're back. We're gonna try. I have a ring light. Finally, I don't know why it took me so long to get a ring light. I might like adjust the lighting throughout the video. I'm not too sure like what the perfect setting is. So anyways, we are here today. We're back with a Boxycharm unboxing and try on. So one of my favorite YouTubers, Kathleen Lights, she does this style video where instead of just like unboxing the Boxycharm and then talking about it, she actually puts it on and uses it. So I kind of like that because it gives you like a first impressions and it's not just like a boring unboxing. If you don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It is $21 and every month you get a box of like it's usually at least 5 full-size products. So the first thing that comes in the box is just the little pamphlet that goes over what is in the box. The theme of this month is Gold Digger, which I think is adorable. And then in here it just says all the products, how to use them and stuff, and what their prices are, but we'll look at that as we go through the box. I did already look through the box so that I knew if I had to like put on a full face, if it was just eye products, but one of the things in here that I did want to use before I put on makeup was this Farrah Brushes double-ended tweezer. I thought this was the coolest, like most innovative thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't know if I'm like late to the game, if this is already something that's out there, but it's black. It has like some gold speckled paint on it. So basically like you can squeeze this side, you can squeeze that side. I don't know why, I just find that like so cool. I just thought I would pluck a couple hairs in my brows. I'm just using this because it has an amazing mirror, so I'm gonna use the pointed end first. Okay, it got it. It got it pretty easily. Actually, it didn't hurt at all. It's kind of hard to hold without stabbing yourself, but still pretty cool. I love a good pair of tweezers. This will be great just to throw on my vanity to just pluck any stray hairs before I do my makeup. So thanks, Boxycharm. Farrah Galaxy Gold Tweezers. It retails for $12. So this is Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. So this says spray directly onto brush hair and gently wipe on a paper towel. Use sparingly so as not to soak the brush hair. So I'm gonna go grab a brush, a dirty brush. I actually just washed all my brushes yesterday, but I think I still have like a few dirty ones that I just got lazy and I stopped washing them. So I'm gonna go grab a brush and I will be right back. So I have paper towel, a couple of dirty brushes. I just wanna test this out, see how it works. This brush has like a little bit of color on it from the time that I used it. I'm just doing a few squirts on each side of the brush. And then I'm just gonna rub it into the paper towel. And so far, a good amount of color is coming off onto the towel, so that's a good sign. Okay, so the ingredients is less than 5% non-ionic surfactants. Anionic surfactants, I don't know what this means. Limonene. I have no idea what these ingredients are. So, I just wanted to see if it had like alcohol in it. I don't know. I mean, I guess you can look up these ingredients and see if they are disinfectants or if they're just, you know, getting the color out of the brush. I'd be curious to know that. But yeah, it's doing a pretty good job of actually cleaning this brush. And it has like no smell. That's awesome. It has absolutely no scent, which I actually really like. I have a couple brush cleaners, like the Japanesque one and the It Cosmetics one. A lot of like daily brush cleaners are very scented, and it almost, I don't really like that because I feel like it can't be good for my skin. So I like that this is not scented at all. It says cleansing and disinfecting your brushes has never been easier. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers, this cleansing spray easily disinfects and conditions your brushes. That is also $12. So let's see what is next. Okay, so before I go and do my face makeup, I am actually gonna do my eyes on camera. I usually like to do my eyes before I put on like foundation, just in case there's fallout. There is an eyeshadow palette in this Boxycharm that I'm really excited about, and some eyeshadow brushes. So I'm gonna show you the brushes first. These are from the brand Luxie. The packaging, I am obsessed with this. So it says a cruelty-free company, Luxie Beauty, premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. And it looks like there's 4 brushes in here. They're all eye brushes. Oh my god, this packaging, you guys. Look at how beautiful the handles on these brushes are. Oh my god. They're kind of like a rosy gold. and they're all sparkly and they're freaking beautiful. So this is the Luxie 141 mini round. It's very small, but it's going to be a great like lower lash line brush. 131 mini angled. I think that'll be nice for like either carving out the outer corner or even just like a brow bone brush. And then we have the 121 mini tapered. So this is kind of flat this way, right? Kind of. No, it's round. It might have just been squished. It is round. And it kind of has like a duo fiber. They're all duo fiber. And then the last one, this brush is really interesting actually. This is the 111 mini flat angled. It's round and it's like a pencil brush, but it is angled and flat at the tip, which is like, I've actually never in my life seen a brush like this. So I don't even know how I'm gonna use it, but we'll figure it out. So this is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. Let's see, they're limited edition, 4 synthetic eye brushes, exclusive to Boxycharm. And that 4-piece set retails for $21. Boxycharm is just like really smart with how they put together their boxes, because I got an eyeshadow palette too. So now I can use the brushes with this eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette that they have in the box is by the brand Ace Beauty or Butte. It's the Grandiose palette. So this is the box. I've never heard of this brand. It says this palette features 8 beautiful colors that's sure to make every eye look stunning. So let's open it up. This is the actual packaging. It looks just like the box. And this is the palette. Oh my god, I love, oh, that was just the plastic. Look at how beautiful this is. I don't know if the light is picking it up right. Yeah, that's a little bit better, because this color is actually kind of a brownish orange. It's not white. Turn that back up. So that is absolutely stunning. Very unique. Like, I don't think I have anything like this color here. I don't have anything like that in my collection, I don't think. Same thing with the coral, even like this myrtle color. So I want to do a few swatches on the back of my hand, and then we'll create a look with this. By the way, how stinking cute are these little Neutrogena individual makeup wipes? I'm dying. So these are just some of the swatches. It's not very pretty. I'm not like a swatch queen or anything, but yeah, they really swatched beautifully. So I'm excited to see how they perform on the eyes. The only thing that's kind of frustrating about this palette is that it doesn't have a mirror. So I'm going to be holding this palette that has the mirror, but working out of this palette. So hopefully I don't break anything. So these brushes are extremely tiny. Let me get another eyeshadow brush. I just bought the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow brush set. I'm just gonna grab a brush out of here just so you can see the size difference between these Luxie brushes and like a normal eyeshadow brush. So this is the JH32, and I'm gonna show it. Oh my god, this is the mini tapered. So yeah, I don't really know how I'm supposed to blend with this. It's gonna be great for like precisely applying eye color, but I think I'm gonna have to dip into my Jaclyn Hill brushes a little bit just so that I can get like a good blend. Hi. So first I'm gonna take this shade Patchouli, which is a nice kind of like warm nude orangey brown. I don't really know how to explain it. I think this color might be a little bit too dark to put all over my lid to set my base, but I'm gonna kind of try to use it to do that. So I'm just gonna place this color in the outer corner. And honestly, it's okay if I get this all over my lid because it's just gonna help to blend everything out. Okay, so even though the colors in that palette are very warm, for some reason my camera picks up colors very orangey. Still really, really pretty. I'm gonna go pop on some face makeup, brows, stuff like that. We'll come back and do the lower lash line, and then I will let you know what I think about the palette. I had to stop in the middle of doing my face because I realized I almost forgot something in the box, and if I kept going then I would have totally messed it up, so glad I remembered. The last thing in the box is by the brand Cover Effect. It is their glitter drops in the shade Nova. I'm a little nervous about this, you guys. It looks so pretty in the package. This is what it looks like. So it's this really pretty like golden color. It comes with a little pump. So this is glitter, you guys. This is not a liquid highlight. This is straight up glitter. So what I'm gonna do is very lightly, like so lightly, you probably won't be able to see it, but I don't mind that. I'm gonna use my beauty blender and I'm going to apply this kind of like, I want to first put it as a blush topper because I'm really nervous that it's going to be too dark for me. So I'm just going to put it on top of my blush with my beauty blender. I'm so nervous. Oh, that's not that bad. I was really nervous, you guys. And I feel like with the beauty blender, it helps to actually kind of get rid of some of that glitter. Because when I put it on the back of my hand, I actually put it on my face this morning, and like just my bare face, and I noticed that I had like flecks of glitter just attaching to my pores, and I was freaking out. But this is actually, I feel like the beauty blender is helping to absorb some of the glitter, so I'm not too mad about it. I just zoomed you in just so you can kind of see the glow a little bit more. I was also thinking that this might be like a really pretty eyeshadow topper. I feel like it just helps the shadow to just like catch some light. Yeah, that gives it like a little bit more dimension and shine. Now I'll be right back. I'm gonna go finish doing some brows and stuff like that, and then we'll do the lower lash line, and then we'll be done. So now I have my brows on, which brows just like make the look, right? So I'm just gonna hop back into the Ace Beauty Beaut palette and do my lower lash line. And I'm just gonna use these two brushes, I think, the mini round and the mini tapered from Luxie. So I just popped on my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Third Eye just to finish out the look. I didn't need to do anything like crazy, but I actually really like this. I really like the palette. Very different, just something like colors that I don't really have in my collection, something fun, colorful. Obviously I did like a very colorful look, but you can actually do something very neutral with this palette as well. Just use like this color cinnamon, patchouli, myrtle or primrose, jasmine. Like, you don't have to use these bright colors every day, but it is nice to have that option to do something a little bit more fun. So I do really like this. The products blended beautifully. I wasn't crazy about the brushes just because they were so small. I like the brushes, but not for my lid, just for my lower lash line. The brushes are very small, so it was really hard to like apply them to my eye. I don't know, I just had a really hard time doing my upper lid with those Luxie brushes, but when I went to go do the lower lash line, that was super easy, blended out beautifully. So I'll definitely be using those. Those will be like my lower lash line brushes. So I'm really excited about that. I have to update you on some prices. So the palette retails for $24.99, which isn't bad, honestly. And then the glitter effects drops retail for $44. That's crazy. I don't know about you, but I feel like that is expensive. I mean, it's Cover FX, so it is like a luxury brand. And honestly, I do see myself using those again. I was so nervous that there was just going to be like glitter on top of my skin and it would like make my texture really noticeable, but I don't think it does at all. I think it's actually super pretty. I have a mirror on the back of my phone. So let's break out the calculator and see what our total is. So for $21, I got $114 worth of product. And yeah, I might not use it all, but I got to try out some new brands. And honestly, I'm gonna use this stuff. There's rarely a time where I get like a Boxycharm and I don't use the stuff that I get. So I would definitely say that it's worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a lot of fun. Hopefully I'll be doing this every month because I think it's cool to like get a first impressions and try out the products with you. And yeah, if you have any questions, if you want to know like how any of this stuff wears throughout the day, just leave it below. I'll leave a link to Boxycharm below too. If you use my link, I think either I get some money or you get some money, but either way, it benefits one of us. So yeah, go down below, sign up for Boxycharm, let me know what you think of it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ow.